Welcome back to Milnaka channel. Today's video is going to be snorkeling spots and islands. It's gonna be inner zones close to Koh Lipe. First spot is the best and most beautiful spot is Jabang Pinnacle, and next we are going to this island is Hin Ngam Island. If you haven't watched my previous video, please check it out. And then we are going to Yang Island, Adang Island and Rawi Island. Now it's time to snorkel. The liveliness of this place includes the pink coral reefs, orange sea fan, and many species of fish. It's like an underwater floral garden. Koh Hin Ngam is an iconic place and also a must-visit destination in Satun in Thailand. Keep in mind that the rocks are hot, so you should bring your shoes every time. I found a bottle of water on the island. Please don't throw trash here. This is the snorkeling spot next to Hin Ngam Island. It is located behind Koh Hin Ngam. A remarkable view of this spot is the fire coral. And we'll often see Indo-Pacific sergeants when we snorkel in this zone. Next stop is going to be Yang Island. It's gonna be snorkeling spot. Things to see at Koh Yang snorkeling spot are ladder coral, brain coral, and staghorn coral. The boat drivers usually drop us at Koh Rawi to eat lunch. It's a white sand beach island, which is a dreamy place to visit. Unfortunately, it's a crowded day, so we can't see summer view anymore. This is our lunch. This is one of the most terrifying trips I've ever been to. The actual scene is more frightening than the video. I feel like the boat can flip over anytime while facing the big waves. This is our last destination. It's Koh Adang Island snorkeling spot. It's raining too, so it's gonna be a little bit challenging. Let's see the beauty of underwater world around here. The thing that makes Koh Adang snorkeling spot unique is its stony coral. It's also an amazing destination which is pretty wide. You won't believe what we found. It's lionfish, yeah! I've noticed that the deepest snorkeling spots of this trip are at Koh Adang and Jabang Pinnacle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to your good friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!